In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S20, and we're going to walk you through just a few steps. The first thing you'll want to do is go to your phone app and make sure you're on the keypad option and type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. Make sure you write this number down here. You're going to need that later on in the video. We're going to go home now and we're going to go to the internet. You'll find it used on your home screen. If not, you can swipe up and you'll find it somewhere in this app screen right here. So we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. Look for the Unlocking Company and this option right here, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts here. First is going to be the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Next, we're going to select the model, scroll down to Galaxy S20, select the appropriate model that you have, click Unlock Now. And then on this page, they're going to ask for a little bit more information. So the country you purchased it in, as well as the carrier. Hit next. And on this final page, it will ask for your contact information. Also that IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, you'll enter that here. Your full name, your delivery email address, and a contact number as well. Now if you scroll down further, it will give you the specific information of what it will cost to unlock the phone. So average competitive price, how much they're going to charge you, and the average turnaround time for you to get the unlocking pin and the email with the final instructions. So all that's going to be in the bottom here. There is a disclaimer here as well that you'll want to read that kind of tells you what carriers that their service works with. So there are a few carriers that it doesn't work with. For example, Verizon and Sprint, you would not be able to unlock those versions, but an AT&T or T-Mobile or Cricket, you would be able to unlock those carrier phones. So just FYI there. Final step, you're going to click Order Now and then wait till you get that unlocking pin to finish the process. So I'm going to walk you through it. Once you get the email with your unlocking pin, what you're going to do is go back to your box, find your unlocking pin, or your, not unlocking pin, but this is your SIM tool, excuse me. You're going to use that just to pop out the SIM card at the top of the phone here. You'll find just a little hole here. Take this out. Take out our T-Mobile SIM card. And we're going to put in an AT&T SIM card. It should automatically prompt a restart. And after this, you're going to go to your email from the Unlocking Company and follow the final instructions in that email to complete the unlock. Now, the unlocking process does vary from time to time, and it does vary based on the phone. So use that email for your final steps. If you have any issues, you can go back to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you can either speak to a live person. There is a live web chat. There is also a phone number you can call to get over the phone support, which is one of the big benefits of their site, which is that they stand by their product, and if you, for whatever reason, cannot get the phone unlocked after they've troubleshot, they will return your money, full refund. So you are in good hands. I will leave a link in the description below for the website, and hope you guys found the video helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and have a good one.